Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. Let's solve it together. There are three numbers in a set. One of the numbers k is 10% less than the sum of the other two numbers. If the sum of the three numbers is 152, what is the value of k? To solve this equation, let's set up the equations. This question, k plus, let's say x and y, x plus y for the second and the third variables, is given as 152. To find the value of k, there is also another information given. K is 10% less than the sum of the other two. X plus y. K will be 10% less than means the whole thing is 1 in percentages. If it's 10% less, 1 minus 0.1, which is going to give us 0.9. So 0.9 times x plus y will give us x. The k. So we will distribute here k. So let me show you that in different color. 0.9x plus 0.9y is equals to k. So we will write this value over here because we found the value of k. Instead of k, I'm gonna write 0.9x plus 0.9y x plus y is equals to 152. So let's combine the like terms. 0.9x plus x, that makes 1.9x, plus 0.9y plus 1y gives us 1.9y is equal to 152. So we will take 1.9x, 1.9 parentheses, x plus y is equals to 152. Divide both sides by 1.9. So in the test, you will be allowed to use your calculator. You can just use your calculator during the test to find the value of this. X plus y will be equal to 80. So originally we said that k plus x plus y was equals to 152. Now we found that x plus y is 80. To find the value of k, we'll just subtract everything from here. K will be equal to 72. So if you pay attention, the right choice for this question is choice B will be the answer. So I strongly suggest you to go and check our playlist section where you can practice this topic. There will be similar digital SAT math, similar questions that we created just for you. Please log in there, pause the videos, and give it a try to solve it on your own. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.